All right, how can you get more shares, more likes, more comments, more engagement on your post? That's what you want, right? That's what you want, right? You want people to know about your stuff, to share your stuff. That was a question somebody asked yesterday, and let's get down to it right now. I don't know why I did that, but why not? Why not? If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. And the reason I do these videos posts is because you know what? I care about you. I care about you. And also because I am a capitalist pig, meaning I love money. I care about you because I want you to care about me. So we care about each other. And so we make money together. Ooh, teamwork does make that dream work. Let's get down to it. I'm going to share with you two. I was going to do one, but let's just put them together, right? Actually, no. Let's just do one right now, and I'll share another one later. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So this is what one thing I tell people constantly. This is one of my tricks to success. If you ask me, Wick, you know, how are you doing good? What is it that you do? Share with me your secrets, your tactics. I'm like, listen, very closely, very closely. I'm going to share with you the one thing that has helped me so much that it's revolutionized the way I work and do business. It is this: I do not reinvent the wheel. I look at what is working, and I would be foolish to try to create something completely original because there's so many people in this world. It's probably been tried. I'm not saying it hasn't been tried, but in general, especially stuff like this, and it's harder work to create something all by yourself. I don't be like, Wick, I want it to be original. You know what? There's an old saying that the pioneer is the first person that tries to do something. The first chicken that tried to cross the road got hit by a car. Then after that, the rest of the chickens like, we got to rethink this, and maybe we got to wait till a car's not coming. So it's just easier being and following something that already works. It's less work, it's proven, so you just got to roll with it. So this is one thing that I use because I want to know what's trending. I want to know what's going on. What do people want to know? And how I do this, and somebody asked that question yesterday, saying, Wick, how can I get more people to like my page or my friends or share, etc. The how you do it is you make cool stuff. You look at what's trending. What do people want to know based on what they're already sharing? So let's get to it. So I'm on my Facebook, and you see I hit see more. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for news, right? Because you can look for news, you can look for, trending, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'll look at news. Let me move my fat head over here. And then what I'll do here is, let's just say I want to do, see, I've already been looking for a couple of things. Let's just say skincare. Cool. And this is what's going to pop up. Let's see if I can get this thing more bigger. Oh, dang. Dang, that's big. All right. So what I'm looking for in the news section is I'm looking for shares. I'm looking for, okay, these are stories that are on Facebook that are out there from E! News, Glamour, She Knows. I guess She Knows. Where's He Knows? He Knows. Not enough male representation. Anyways, so, Kim Kardashian, da, 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 da. So this has got 42 shares, right? I don't know if that's something that would be pertinent in your business. Da 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 da. Oh, 184 shares. What's this? The sensitive skin routine includes this. Blah 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 blah. Right? And some of these could be ads or whatever. I don't know. But if you can get something like this and be like, oh, okay, and you read this story and go, how can I tweak this because it's got 184 shares? So I don't know. That might be a little bit more product based. See, Chanel's camellias are harvested on 2 shares. This 12 shares, multitasking products to and free up space in your makeup bag. This is something like for example, I like the topic, but more importantly, one thing I want you to pay attention to this is the headline. Especially like BuzzFeed is a good site, but it's probably trashy in terms of content. But They know how to make viral things happen, right? So, for example, you may not want to do multitasking product streaming up. Go, hey, the 4 essential skincare routine products that will free up space in your makeup bag. Hmm, you know, that sounds like a good title, right? It doesn't have to be 15. It could be, your 3 skincare routine essential products that will free up space in your makeup bag. So make sure your title is legit. More people, it's weird, will will click something just based on the title. So give the title emphasis, and the title is almost more important than the thing. Have you ever clicked something just because of the title and the content was garbage? I'm not saying to do that, but just saying, right? But just get stuff that's already there, like a good title, and then just tweak it and make it yours, right? So again, 12 shares, that's decent, right? Kim K, a lot of Kim K going on here. Kiki, do you know me? He shared skincare struggles to show I'm not perfect. Everybody can understand. See, and that's good because you can like literally, I'm just gonna open this in a new window. So you can get her story and kind of tweak it to yours, right? So Kiki, I don't know who Kiki is. Maybe she's the actress. Okay, I'm just dumb. But anyways, you can go, hey y'all, famous actresses like Kiki Palmer, known for her electric personality or whatever, right? Da, da, da. Go. So don't be alarmed when you get a pimple. The most famous celebrities, have flare ups or blah 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 blah, right? And you can have a picture of her there, right? And see that's just cool. So again, look at things that have shares, right? Things that work, right? Best skincare line on the market can be yours for less than 20. I don't know, stuff like that. Look, but the headlines are bombastic. Okay, TikTok famous dermatologist launched her own skincare line. I don't know if that's something you want to share, right? Doubt it. Doubt it. Okay, cool. Okay, here's a good one. Here is a good one, right? I think I was looking for this one earlier, right? One, it got 33 shares, which is pretty solid. I don't know compared to like the other ones, Skincare expert says to avoid this sleeping position, it's making you look older. That's just good. One, it's a great title. Two, it makes you curious. So one of the tricks in this industry is to create a title that creates like it makes you ask that question in your mind, what is it? So they go, hey, avoid this sleeping position. You're like, what is the sleeping position? Is it on my face? Is it on my stomach? Is it on my side? Well, I don't know. I want to know. So yeah, clicky to get to know. So one thing I would do is, create titles like this. Go, skincare experts. Guess who's a skincare expert? You bold beauty esthetician. Go, hey, I've, skincare experts in da 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 says avoid, do not sleep in this. Again, don't copy it. I always say just change a word or two. That's all you have to do. It's only like freaking 12 words here or whatever. Change 3 of them and you're fine, right? Right? Estheticians say to not sleep in this position because it's causing you to get older faster. Ooh, there you go. You can use that one for me. I don't mind. I'm here to help you, girl. I'm here to empower you, girl. You. All right. And then, you know, get like a, again, same title, blah, blah, blah. And just get like a couple of quick things like, hey, what position do you typically sleep in? Do you sleep in the fetal? Got one leg out? Are you sleeping on stomach? And then just go, hey, do not sleep on your side because it can cause wrinkles, blah, blah, blah. And then, you just have a picture there and just read this little article. It'll take you like less than 5 minutes and get the bullet points and just say, don't do this. Boom, right? So if you want more people to like your page, you want more people to share your information, have good information. Have a good title. The title is freaking critical. Listen to me. The title is critical. Do not dilly-dally. I don't even know. I need to use that word more often in my life. Dilly-dally. Do not dilly-dally and skip putting on a good title. Because if somebody shares this, it doesn't mean the next person's going to even open it. So, but if it goes, hey, and estheticians, experts say do not sleep in this position, it's going to make you look older faster. Ooh, it's be like, oh, what? And it creates that curiosity. What is this position? What is it? What? And they'll clicky and see. And also, that's valuable information. So if you want people to like your page, share your information, you want to have a page that has good information. So you just do this. Like literally, I just went in the news thing and did this one, right? Hold on. Can I? I don't even know what I'm doing here. Okay, there I am. There I am. Cool. So skincare, let's just say I do hyperpigmentation. I'm just on Facebook News. A popular laser treatment left me with rosacea and here's my story. Oh, see, once again, BuzzFeed to the rescue. You know what? Hey, y'all, BuzzFeed is good stuff just because there's stuff like that, and get this gal, it's already out there, and just share her story. Go, hey, go, hey, this is, beware of doing some of these things. And that a popular left me, people are like, what laser treatment is this? Right? What laser treatment was this woman trying to do? Peace out. That left her with this, hyperpigmentation. So whatever topic you want to talk about, just put it in the news section. And there's always something, right? Acne. Oh, acnecia. I don't know what that is. Acne, right? And then just look for ones that explore new tactics for acne scars. I like that title though. Not too many shares. 3 shares. Acne top 5 trends. Right? Women's cystic acne says doctors aren't taking their pain seriously, so they turn to an unproven cures on. And this is a good. I like that title, right? Because unproven cures and dermatologists are alarmed. That's a good title, right? Because they're like, hey, some people germs aren't taking it serious. So people are doing this, blah blah blah, right? So use this trick, put in the thing, basically just click the story. You see how they just put all these weird things here, and these are all things that people have heard or think, hey, put some ACV, apple cider vinegar, right? And they just read this and get like just 5 bullet points out of this whole thing and put just like your twang on it, a couple things, and that's it. Don't make it harder on yourself. So use this again, Facebook, go into the newsy and freaking put in a topic and look for the ones that have an interesting title and the most shares. It's got 16 shares compared to the rest. 10 acne fighting body washes to try this summer according to experts. Skin tightening mask. Yeah, that's a Hannah cure. I know that's probably like an advertisement. But anyways, right? So use this. It works. It works. It works. It's super easy. It's effective. You can do it. Use what's trending to get trending. Woo! This is your trending boy Wick here with some more information. So comment below, right? How do you find trending topics? And I see a lot of y'all posts and they're not very trending. Just keeping it real with y'all. So make sure you use this, try it, give it a shot, and have your feed, your content be share worthy. So use these tricks, use Facebook News, put in the topic, find a story that resonates with you. Take time and find one with a good title that hooks you. Like if it hooks you, it'll probably hook others. Find a good topic, find a decent picture or something of the sort. Create one. Canva is amazing for it. I would find a picture like this and just try to recreate it real fast. Don't try to get extra fancy. Just boom, put it together, and then have a couple bullet points, and then you are done. Post it, and don't be disappointed. And the last thing I will put on here, it is very naive for you to think I'm gonna post one thing and I hope it goes viral, right? Dude, don't do that. I know sometimes people will spend so much time creating a post and they're like, I made this post and stuff like that. It's like, dude, one post isn't probably gonna do much. Don't have these false expectations. However, you stack it with good content. You do a post and then another post and another post, and then people are going to start saying, oh, that's a good topic. Oh, this girl's worth a cornucopia of information. Don't you want to be a cornucopia? I hope so. Be amazing because it pays well. Do this, give it a shot. Let me know. Peace.